always on my grizz. I'm always on my grizz. I'm always on my grizz. I'm always on my grizz.
So these right here are what I call my sample shirts. See, I try them out, cut them out of vinyl, make a little design. Got my plotter over here, ready to rock and roll. My laptop, my little setup, everything I need. Setting up the work area for now. So got a few other designs I'm gonna drop. You know, I got that Luxy one right there. So anyway, what I'll do is I'll make a little sample, throw it up on the web page, see if it's hitting. And if it's hitting, then we'll make it happen. Give that shit a good 25 seconds. We're almost ready to rock and roll. See the timer's up on that bitch. Boom. It's ready. Pull that shit up. Cool it down just a little bit. Damn. Feel me? I like to hit it another at least 15 seconds, you know, just to make sure that vinyl don't come off. Boom. Front side's done. See that? Front side is done. Now we're gonna set up the back real quick. Now let's set up the back. I go by, usually t-shirts have a natural line in them, so I just go by that natural line right there. Make sure ain't nothing. I go by that natural line. Look at that shit. See what's good. That bitch hitting. Dang. It's gonna be that new design. That new Luxy drop. Same shit. Come back to the freaking the heat press. All prototypes, all prototypes. Come back to the heat press. Throw that bitch on there. Boom. It's cooking up. See that? I throw my logo on everything. Yeah. Boom. Logoed out. Anyway. Cool it off a little bit. Bam. That shit. Fresh ass TEO. Give it another 15 seconds or so. Whoo! Get that fresh up off the press. And that is how I press my prototypes for the Luxy lifestyle shit. You feel me? Go to tspot.com, man. Get yourself one. tspott.com. We out.